Go sit over there. No, sit over there.
Because the white towel looks different.
Did you turn it on?
Yeah. I don't know why.
Is it videotaping?
Yeah.
Hello!
Hello.
We're gonna have a burping thing. We're gonna have a burping contest.
Wait, let me get a piece of pizza and get out of here and then it's fine.
Okay.
I'm still here.
Oh my gosh!
What?
You can be in the burping contest.
Harry.
Did you just burp your bowels, Mom?
I didn't
She's like,
I know, I heard her, and then she tried to blame it on you.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
No. I lost my phone. Ready?
Oh. You suck. You suck. Yeah, you.
Oh.
You want to practice in the morning? Oh, okay.
Let it cover it up. Just so you know, we got that burp on video.
Yeah, your burp was just on video.
Take it off.
No, we
You know
can't.
what? Wait. I was trying to find a video of me and the dog. So I looked up Mom's Sex Talk because I'm in the video. Go on Google, look up Mom's Sex Talk. It was video of the day on this one video site. There's like
Mine?
30 Mom's Sex Talk. There's like 30 sites that have pirated that video. And it's
Of
your
you?
brother- No. Well, yeah, me, but it's your brother burping at the end too. So he's got to be embarrassed. Go on Google, look up Mom's
Really?
Sex Talk. Yeah. Look up that one, exactly that way, Mom's Sex Talk.
That's
There's
good.
like 3 or 4 pages on it. It's funny as heck. And it was video of the day for this one download site. Video of the day, vote for it. It's got like a shitload of views too.
Yeah, I know.
That's embarrassing if it were me burping, so that's why you need to take that burp off there. Did you run these? Did we run these? Or did we just leave them here? These were never run?
What?
These were never run? No. Okay. Sorry, I was
I should eat at the same time I drink. That way I can burp.
You're sucking right now.
I just want
Tell her how.
Stop the video.
I can't pause it.
No, stop it.